This is the biggest lie in the fitness industry, and I'm so sick of it. If you're trying to lose weight and drop fat, and you're slashing your calories, and you're on a perpetual diet, and this is for you. Hey, everybody, I'm Brian, founder of FatLossAfter40.com. By the end of this video, I'm going to talk to you about how slashing your calories and the starvation diets and the dieting in general, how it actually does more harm than good, and here's why. See, there's three culprits here. When you diet, when we say about cutting your calories, we always mean under 1,000 calories. Some of these diets today are 800, 900, even 1,000 calories is way too low. And you see what happens is number one is fatigue. What happens there is you start to feel lethargic. You start to feel tired all the time. Actually, you start to get hangry because you really want energy. You want energy to get moving, to keep moving. You're hungry, you're angry, you're lonely, and you're tired. And that's what it does. And what it does is it actually makes your metabolism even more sluggish, and that's counterproductive. So what happens is if you're fatigued, then you don't feel like working out, and then suddenly your workouts are suffering. So maybe you still go to the gym, still go to work out, but you're just not giving it your all because you just don't feel like it. You're too tired. Or instead of getting your 10,000 steps every day, you just don't feel like doing it. So you sort of cut corners here, cut corners there, and next thing you know, your sluggish metabolism is having you gain weight. Number two is muscle loss. And what that does, that always leads to a stalled metabolism, meaning that you hit a block and you can't get any further because you're losing muscle tissue. And that's not a mistake. That if you're over the age of 40, you want to ignite and reset your sluggish metabolism. And if you're losing muscle tone, and by muscle loss, that's what we're talking about, that beloved muscle tone, that sculpting look. You're losing that if you're not eating enough calories. So technically it's called catabolic. All you need to know is that you're just muscle wasting, and that's going to stall your metabolism, again, making it nearly impossible to lose weight. And the third downside is a slower metabolism, which, as I said previously, is the holy grail. You want to be able to do a workout today and eat enough protein today that you're still burning calories, still burning fat up to 3 days after today. So if you're not eating enough calories, even if you're still working out but not eating enough calories, again, your metabolism is just going to be sluggish, stalled, and you're not going to be able to lose the weight that you want. So make sure you're getting at least 1,200 calories. So we typically like to see people on 1,600 to 1,800 calories, but we'll say 1,200 calories. So if you are trying to lose weight, start around 14 to 16, but again, never go lower than 1,200 calories and prioritize protein. So what does that look like? That looks like making sure you're getting at least 100 grams of protein each and every day, that you're basing that 4 to 5 small meals throughout the day. That's going to help you feel full. It's going to help energize. It's going to help boost your metabolism, and it's going to help you power through your busy day in a fat burning zone, and that's what we want. So that's what I want to tell you is the biggest lie in the fitness industry is that diets work and